Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python. First, set up your Python environment by installing Python and a code editor like VS Code. Then, familiarize yourself with basic syntax, variables, and data types such as integers and strings. Practice writing simple print statements and assigning values to variables to build foundational understanding. This initial setup and basic concept review is crucial for a strong start. For days 2 through 4, focus on control flow, including if else statements and loops, and then move to functions. Practice defining and calling functions with different parameters. Spend at least 2 hours each day actively coding, not just watching tutorials. Try to solve small coding challenges or build tiny programs like a simple calculator to solidify your understanding of these core programming constructs. On days 5 and 6, delve into more advanced topics such as object-oriented programming, file input/output, and error handling. Understand how to create classes and objects, read from and write to files, and implement try-except blocks. Begin exploring popular Python libraries like NumPy for numerical operations or Pandas for data manipulation. These skills are vital for developing more complex and robust applications. On the final day, consolidate your learning by building a small, complete project. This could be a command line game, a simple web scraper, or a data analysis script. Review all the concepts you've covered, troubleshoot any issues, and refine your code. This hands-on application is the best way to cement your knowledge. Also, for more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.